relevant?
I think it's there. I think a lot of the time when you change coaches, it's a bit different because he looks at it completely different than the previous coach. I think if you had the same coach, it might have been a bigger problem. But when you get new coaches, new environment, new way of thinking, looking at things, then I think it doesn't have that big an influence. Of course, you always need to learn out of past experiences. I mean, as a player, those are the big things, especially when you lose, because you see certain things that you can do better, see things that happen in a game that you can take from the other team actually and put it into your thinking. So, of course, there's things to learn about, but having almost that stigma of, but you can't win a final when there's changes in coaching staff, environment, and I think it won't have such a big role.
Thanks.
Morning, guys. Thanks, Jalib.